In today's algebra lesson, we're going to look at multi-step equations. Going to the next page on your right is page 21. We're going to follow a certain order when we solve equations. So step 1 is to distribute. That means you're going to multiply through the parentheses. Step 2 is to combine like terms, which means the same variable raised to the same power. I want to remind you that you can only combine if it's on the same side of the equation. Step 3 is to get the variable on one side of the equation, which we just looked at in our last lesson from page 19. And step 4, use inverse operations to isolate the variable and solve just like you would any equation. Here's our first example, example A. The first thing I'm going to do is step 1 to distribute. Distributing the negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. Negative 5 times positive 6 is negative 30. On the right, negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x, and negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Now, I have no like terms on the left, no like terms on the right, so I'm going to go to step 3 and get the variable on one side. I'm choosing to get rid of the negative 15x by adding 15x to each side, and this remains. Now it's just a two-step equation. I'll subtract 6, this remains, then divide by 3, and I get negative 12 equals x, or x equals negative 12. Just solving like you would normally solve step by step. One more example. Here, I'll show all my steps. Try to solve it out yourself first on page 20. After you're done, pause this video first, and after you're done, check to see that you have all the correct steps with the correct answer.